Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The area of a triangle with vertices A 3, 0, B 7, 0 and C 8, 4 is. We know area of any triangle with vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by half multiplied by x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 and plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now we simply put the values of coordinates here in order to find the area. So half into x1 is 3, y2 is 0, y3 is 4 plus x2 is 7, y3 is 4, y1 is 0 plus x3 is 8, y1 is 0, y2 is 0. So that is equal to half multiplied by 3 into minus 4 is minus 12 plus 7 into 4 is 28. 8 into 0 is 0. So that is equal to, let's see, half into 16, which is equal to 8 square units. So we got area as 8 square units. Answer is option C.